video will clearly demonstrate the difference between the ref and out keywords in C#. These two keywords allow methods to modify the parameters passed to them directly. Let's start with reference. The ref keyword lets us pass a variable by reference, which means any changes made within the method directly affect the original variable. Notice we must initialize the variable before we use reference. Here, we start with number equal to 10. After we call our method, the value changes, demonstrating how the original variable is directly modified inside the method. Now let's see out. The out keyword is slightly different. It also passes variables by reference, but importantly, you don't have to initialize the variable before passing it into the method. Instead, the method itself must assign a value before it returns. Notice that if we try to return without assigning, C# throws an error. After the method call, we clearly have our variable initialized and modified within the method. Finally, let's clearly see both ref and out side by side. We'll create one variable initialized before calling our method with ref and one variable uninitialized for out. Inside the method, we double the ref variable and assign a new value to the out variable. Running this example shows clearly how each keyword behaves differently. Ref modifying a pre-existing value and out assigning a completely new value. In summary, use ref when you want to modify data already initialized, and use out when your method needs to return new data without prior initialization. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, please subscribe and hit the like button for more clear C# tutorials.